Hey everyone, in this video, I'll guide you through how to set up Namecheap and SendGrid together for better email deliverability. First, log into your SendGrid dashboard and navigate to Settings. Click on Sender Authentication. Here, you'll authenticate your domain by selecting Authenticate Your Domain. Choose your DNS provider, Namecheap from the list. Next, SendGrid will generate several DNS records such as TXT, CNAME, and MX records. You'll need to add these to your Namecheap DNS settings. Log into your Namecheap dashboard. Go to Domain List and click Manage for the domain you want to authenticate. Under Advanced DNS, click Add Record for each of the DNS records SendGrid provided. Make sure to input the TXT, CNAME, and MX records exactly as they appear. Once you've added all the records, return to SendGrid and click Verify. It might take some time for the DNS changes to propagate, so give it a few hours. Once verified, your domain will be authenticated, allowing you to send authenticated emails from SendGrid with better inbox placement and reduced spam risk. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. If you haven't tried SendGrid, just hit the link in the description and get your free trial today.